Well, hey, good day to you. This is Todd. I am a regular dude walking in the Word. Hey, thank you for joining us. As we are going through Psalms, because it's Sunday, we do a Psalm every Sunday, and today is the 13th episode, so we are doing Psalm 13 today, and it's entitled "Restore Brightness to My Eyes." As I was reading through this psalm, I read it in the NIV, which is this Bible here. And then this morning I was reading in my Christian Standard version Bible, it's called He Reads Truth. That's just the title, but it's the Christian Standard version. And it's a little easier. It's a little different words in it, and I like one sentence that it says in there, and it actually says, "Restore brightness to my eyes." You're going to see as we go through this, David is discouraged, and he feels like the whole world's after him, and which a lot of the Psalms are like that. Okay, that he's discouraged, but then he prays, Lord, help me. And in this particular prayer, he says, "Restore brightness to my eyes." And NIV says it even different, like enlighten me. Make my eyes see the way that you see things. And then in the end, he says, I put my trust in God. So let me read here today. It's Psalm 13. All right. It says this, and the title in this is called "A Plea for Deliverance." How long, Lord, will you forget me forever? How long will you hide your face from me? How long will I store up anxious concern within me, agony in my mind every day? How long will my enemy dominate me? It seems like, he's discouraged. It's like in a basketball game, you're losing, and like, oh, when are we ever going to pull out of this slump here? But look at the verse 3. Consider me and answer me, Lord. Restore brightness to my eyes. Otherwise I will sleep in death. My enemy will say, I have triumphed over him, and my foes will rejoice because I'm shaking. So those two verses there are kind of his prayer. Well, kind of a change in the prayer. Then we get to the last two verses. But I have trusted in you, in your faithful love. My heart will rejoice in your deliverance. I will sing to the Lord because he has treated me generously. What a change. From the beginning, where he's all discouraged, and then toward the middle, he says, restore brightness to my eyes. And then here at the end, that last verse, I will sing to the Lord because he has treated me generously. A lot of times when I'm praying, I'm like, thank you, Lord, for everything you've given me. And the things he has given me, I'm so grateful for and done for me because I don't deserve any of that. Okay? He's treated me generously. Just like that last verse says, he's treated me very generously. And nothing I can do to earn it. He has just treated me generously. But I wanted to focus on restore brightness to my eyes. We need to, and I pray this a lot, that the Lord would show me the way that he sees things. So a lot of times I'll look at stuff, and just like the other day, there was someone who's been kind of hard on our family for a while here, and so I don't really want to have anything to do with her, and so but I pray to the Lord, help me to see her through your eyes. And so I was in a situation then where I needed to spend some time with her, taking her someplace. Okay. When I did that, I saw more of her, and I actually had compassion for her rather than the anger, for the way she's been, harassing our family and everything. But I turned, and my heart was changed, and it was God changing it. And it was, I could see I had compassion on her, and I actually felt sorry for her. in the different things. And so it was a change of heart, and it was nothing that I did, but it was God changing that heart within me. And so the same thing here, David is saying, restore brightness to my eyes. And I pray that say the same thing, restore brightness to my eyes, but help me to see things the way that you see them. All right, so hopefully that's a prayer for you, that you can look around and you can see things as God sees them, and not be all harsh and critical, but to have the compassion that God has. All right, thank you for watching. I'm just a regular dude walking in the Word, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we are back in Exodus. Lord's blessing. I'll see you then.